Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at some excellent fixed blades and folders from Fallkniven, available at KnifeCenter.com. Based in Norrbotten, Sweden, Fallkniven has spent decades making high-performance fixed blades and folding knives, earning them a superior reputation in the bushcraft, survival, and hunting communities. Their knives feature impeccable craftsmanship and premium materials for a perfect balance of aesthetics, ergonomics, and cutting performance. Fallkniven blades are often set apart through their use of laminated steels, sandwiching an inner layer of steel with high wear resistance between two layers of other steel designed to bolster the toughness or corrosion resistance of the blade. Their knives are quality tested at Lulea University of Technology to verify high levels of performance and durability. By going with a Fallkniven blade, you're getting one of the finest outdoor tools for your next adventure. Their top quality survival, hunting, outdoor, and EDC knives are going to be with you for the long haul. First up is Fallkniven's bread and butter, the F1. Which has been the official survival knife for Swedish Air Force Pilots since 1995. Not just a pilot's knife, this incredibly versatile and dependable design has become one of the most recognizable survival knives in the world. With this pedigree comes a safe, comfortable grip and a full-tang convex drop-point blade. The F1 is ready to tackle demanding work and life-saving tasks alike. For a fixed blade that is unmistakably Swedish in its aesthetic, we have the SK3 Uni. It features a deceptively simple design, with clean lines, flawless fit and finish, and premium contoured birch handles. It's a camp knife with class, and it's the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Not just a purveyor of fixed blades, Fallkniven makes a lot of great folders as well. One that we're really big fans of is the GPDI Gentleman's Knife. Despite a very classic look, this knife is fully ready for modern life, with a strong liner lock system and adjustable pivot. Fallkniven's goal for this knife was to make a folder truly fit for hunting purposes in a classy, attractive package. It's hard to ask for a better looking knife with the performance to match. Another beautiful folder by Fallkniven is the Tre Kroner No. 3, the result of a long refinement process to distill the folding knife into its purest form. It's built solid and the secure lockback makes it a top performer with strength to spare. This knife sports Fallkniven's highest end 3G steel, which uses super gold powder steel at its core, flanked by layers of VG2, making it ready to take on any task. This is just a taste of the Fallkniven knives that we have over at KnifeCenter. To get your hands on any of them, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.